Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's go straight into the apps. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the general management option. Now again, scroll down until we find the reset option. Also remember that resetting your phone will cause this, that all of your data will be erased from the phone. So it's good to have a backup if you don't know how to create such a backup. Also on our channel we have a video how to do this, so if you want you can look for it. And now we have the reset option. We can reset all settings by clicking this blue button. We can reset mobile network settings, also reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and reset accessibility settings. But we are interested in the factory data reset, which is on the bottom. Now we simply click on it. You can also see the information that all of your data will be erased. Now we need to scroll down again until we find this blue button, reset. Now we simply click on delete all. Then you need to follow the instructions on the phone. And then basically your phone will be turned off, and then you'll need to set it up. But there's also the second option, which is by the recovery mode. So first we need to turn off the phone. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Simply click on power off. Now let's wait a little bit and let the phone rest. But in the meantime, we need to connect the phone using the USB cable into PC or laptop. So that's what I'm gonna do. I plug my phone into the computer, and now we want to enter the recovery mode, and we do this by performing a button combination. We need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So that's what I'm gonna do now. We press those two buttons. Now we need to keep on holding. Okay, the Samsung logo showed up, but still keep holding. And now we are in the recovery mode. So when you want to move around this menu, all you need to do is to use the volume buttons. You click on volume up, you go up, volume down, you go down. That is pretty simple. And when you want to confirm the selected option, you just click on the power button. So now we want to select wipe data / factory reset. Now we confirm by clicking the power button, factory data reset, again confirm. As you can see, data wipe complete. You don't see it all because it's a little bit cut off because the edge of the screen. But the process is successful. Now we need to simply click on reboot system now, and in a few seconds the phone will be turned on and ready to use. But first you will need to set it up. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.